Paris, France, November 21st, 2024.
Hi, look at it. Bonjour maman, c'est pour te dire que ici, il fait vraiment froid, il pleut mais il pleut blanc.
This Thursday, the Paris region experienced an initial episode of snowfall, which put residents on alert. An orange warning for snow and ice has been in effect since 6 a.m., with snow falling between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. in Paris and the surrounding area. Up to 3 centimeters of snow covered Paris and its surroundings, where the airport in Paris was paralyzed by heavy snow, while in the southern regions, especially Yvelines and Essonne, snow can accumulate up to 7 centimeters. The meteorologist and director of Media's weather stressed that this winter weather requires extreme caution, especially on secondary roads. In Marne-la-Vallée, Disneyland Paris visitors have been posting photos of the park in the snow. Main Street and major attractions like Space Mountain are also covered in a thin white film. In Yvelines, too, snowflakes have started to fall, a few hours after the preventive salting operations carried out in around 20 communes. In Saint-Arnault-en-Yvelines, for example, snow is starting to accumulate on the ground in the fields. Snow is also making an appearance during the training of PSG players at Camp de Loges in Poissy. Still in Yvelines, the grounds of the Château de Versailles were also covered in a light layer of snow. The prefecture calls on residents of the Paris region to be vigilant when traveling. It recommends using public transport or respecting the restriction measures, and if possible, equipping your car with snow tires. The phenomenon that began in Normandy and Brittany will move eastward as the day progresses. The warning will remain in effect until midnight, and Météo France is even considering extending it to other neighboring departments. In Paris, the Île-de-France snow and ice plan is already at alert level 1. From 11 a.m., Motorists will have to reduce their speed to 20 kilometers per hour, while heavy vehicles will be banned from overtaking on main roads. For residents of Ile-de-France, a few simple measures are recommended. Clean and salt sidewalks, avoid contact with downed power lines, and heat your home according to safety instructions. Travel should be limited to the absolutely necessary. If you do go out, it is advisable to use public transportation and bring warm clothing, water, and supplies to avoid delays or congestion on the road. Road infrastructure such as the RN118, which is particularly vulnerable, will be under increased surveillance. Partial road closures may be required if conditions worsen. The RATP has assured us that its network will remain operational, although it has procedures in place to limit the impact of ice and snow. Finally, residents of the Ile-de-France region can expect a freezing phenomenon starting tonight, making the roads even more slippery. In Ile-de-France, this winter episode is a reminder of the need to be careful in the face of changeable weather. If you absolutely must travel, make sure you are well equipped and pay attention to the instructions issued by the authorities. The measure invites caution and follows the information issued for the fall of snow and the subsequent formation of dangerous black ice on roads, as a consequence of the passage through France of a low-pressure system named Catano. The weather forecast is apparently unusual for this period, still in the middle of autumn, and 1 month before the official beginning of winter.